In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to assemble both of your stool tops together. For this, in the lower left corner, I'm going to select Insert New Element. Click once. Create Assembly. Click once. I'm going to rename this assembly stool tops. So I'm going to right click on Assembly 2. I'm going to click Rename, and I'm going to change this from Assembly 2 to Assembly Stool Tops. Enter. Okay. While we're doing this, we may as well rename our first assembly for our stool legs. So right click, rename, assembly, stool, legs, enter. Okay. For this, I'm still in our feature here. I'm going to insert two pieces. So I'm going to start by selecting insert. I'm going to select our stool top lower and our stool top. They are placed right on top of each other, and that's fine for right now. I'm going to click my green check mark. And you can see that we have that plus sign, but it's filled in, but that's because we have two pieces in the same spot. What we want to do is we want to select the piece that does have the cutout. Okay, because that's centered on the origin, this is exactly how we want it right now. So I'm going to come up to part 1, or hover over my parts, make sure that I have the piece with the cutout is highlighted orange. I'm going to right click once. I'm going to select Fix. So this piece is now fixed. It's not going to move, it's not going to rotate, it's not going to slide around on us. Whereas our upper stool top, this is still flexible. To make this so that it's not flexible, but these two pieces are locked together as we want, when we're putting our stool together, we can glue this, we can screw this, we can laminate it together. It really depends on what you choose to do with your stool. What we're going to do for our model is we're going to come up to our toolbar. We're going to click Mate, or Fasten Mate, shortcut key M. And we're going to do a very simple mate. I'm going to hover over the top perimeter of my lower stool top, and it gives me that center point. I'm going to click once. I'm going to hover over the lower perimeter of my upper stool top, and it gives us that center origin point again. I'm going to click once, and it mates these two features together. I'm going to click my green check mark, click our green check mark, or the red X because it's asking if we want to make a second mate. Okay, and go ahead and try to move these. They don't move. They're stuck together. They are fully mated and assembled. In our next video, I will demonstrate how to assemble your stool tops onto your stool legs.